The Kemetic Sidereal Calendar is based on a time division that is determined by the stars. Nothing stands still, and we are never in the exact same position in space and time. Imagine the Earth, constantly spinning, ever traveling throughout the cosmos. Where are we in space? And when are we in time? This is why our ancestors looked to the stars in search for rhythms and cycles, observing the skies over several generations. This required an era of cooperation and spiritual enlightenment for civilization to achieve such a feat. And this is exactly the conditions in which the Kemetic Sidereal Calendar was born. Our ancestors eventually discovered the most accurate cycle known to humankind, the alignment of our Earth, Sun, Moon, and the Sirius star. Here is an ideogram, or symbol in ancient hieroglyphs, which represents the Sirius star. Because the Sirius star affects our seasons and the rain on Earth, much of these passages are related to farming. Knowing when this cycle is going to occur is the most important phenomenon to keep track of, because it is not only an astronomical event, it is also a spiritual event. According to the temple records, these celestial bodies fall into alignment once every 1,461 years. Our ancestors called this cycle a divine year or a neter year. Each seasonal year in our calendar counts up to this cycle until 1,461 years, and then the calendar starts over again at year 1. Many ancient civilizations have similar calendar systems that count towards a finite number, and this is why modern interpretations have mistaken such an event as an end time scenario. In reality, our ancestors knew the importance of preparing for the pinnacle of this most perfect cycle, conducting divinations, cleansings, and spiritual ceremonies to make sure humanity remained in alignment with the spirit world and the cosmos. The divine year is so precise that we can observe each month, knowing which days are best for worship, for ceremony, and for rest. By applying Kemetic time division, our ancestors determined when divinities are present, when our ancestors are present, when energies are neutral, and when energies are high. Additionally, this calendar provides original Kemetic astrological information about the divinity over one's birth. This will help the seeker to understand their personality characteristics as well as what to avoid in their diet to align their actions with the preferences of the divine. Thanks to research of Naba Lamusa Morudenebig, our place in space and time has been restored using Kemetic time division and the cycle of the Sirius star. Now that we know when we are in the cycle, we can begin to understand our spiritual reality and approach our lives based on Kemetic sidereal time, the most exact time division known to man. This has been a message to help all of us reconnect with our heritage.